Wasn't it 2014 when BMW combined the SUV with the sporty elegance of a classic coupe?
I didn't know this was going to be a history lesson, guys.
History? This is going to be state of the art.
Ah, let's see. Wow. Now that's what I call presence.
And power.
High profile, huh?
Well, that's the X family for you. Look at that posture. Like a wildcat ready for the hunt.
It is stunning.
And here, the new taillights.
All LEDs. Obvi.
And nice twin tailpipes. And I love how it just sits on the road. Come on, let's drive this.
Ooh, see how spacious it feels inside? With the panorama glass ceiling seamlessly integrated into the roofline.
And I'm loving these sport seats.
Look at that instrument cluster, which, by the way, is 12.3 inches. Fully digital.
And of course, that is where you can choose the driving mode. Eco, comfort, and sport.
I wonder what she'll choose.
Guys, are we done? I think it's time to drive this thing. Come on, out the way. Dennis, key?
The activity key, waterproof up to 5 bar.
Whatever, as long as it starts the engine.
And there's the steering and lane control assistant.
Hey, I'm the one that's in control of this car.
Well, you don't have built-in radar, do you? Just imagine heavy traffic. Stop and go requires lots of patience.
That's one of your strong points, Nikki.
Guys, this is an M Performance twin power turbo inline 6-cylinder petrol engine with 360 horsepower. There's no need to be patient. Get out of here. I'm going for a drive.
Have fun.
Oh, I will.
And off she goes.
0 to 60 in 4.8 seconds.
To 100
kilometers per hour, to be precise.
It's a German car.
And I am loving this 8-speed Steptronic transmission.
Nikki, dear, do please be careful, yeah? We have to bring it back in one piece.
Right. All right.
Come on, boys, jump in.
Roger that.
Ready for a road trip?
Let's do it.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their cars. Very much so with this new BMW. Behold this beauty in flamenco red. Presence.
And power. And look how big the kidney grills are.
To keep your engines cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
This front section
Has been sculptured to be more formidable. An athletic silhouette. I like how elegantly the roofline declines.
And I like the 21-inch wheels.
These taillights, see how slender they are, Dennis?
equipped with the latest LED technology.
Okay.
Switched off, the smoked glass lends a cool subtlety. Switched on, and you get BMW's signature L shape.
I have a hunch he really likes it.
Do you think?
That's about its entirety. What a stance. Look how the panorama roof aligns the interior of a coupe with the spacious feeling of an SUV.
And with the X4, you get all the M model stuff. You know, you've got the sporty steering wheel, the sporty seat that you're enjoying at the moment.
Is that a Sensatec dashboard?
Okay, good spot, Dennis.
Thanks, Nikki. And here's the 10-inch center display, freely programmable.
And you can use the display via touch, gesture, or voice. So nice. Don't forget about the iDrive touch controller.
So what have we got here? A straight 6-cylinder petrol engine with a not too shabby 360 horsepower and 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. Plus a weight distribution of 50-50.
Hey, Nikki, can you hear us?
Hey, guys.
How's it going?
Yeah, I am...
Loving this. I mean, the car literally sticks to the road and you can really feel the ground underneath you as well. And that's thanks to the hard M suspension. But don't worry, guys, there is comfort mode for you. Nice and soft, just as you like it.
Thanks, Nikki.
That's cute. She's thinking of us.
Hey, Nikki, are you using the
Steering and lane control assistant.
No, what's that?
Well, it just supports the driver in
monotonous traffic situations? And it speeds all the way up to 210 kilometers per hour.
That's perfect for you, Nikki. How does it work?
Check this out. This is the car. Well, obvi. The important thing is, the car uses both a multiple area surveillance radar system as well as a stereo camera. So, on the road, it uses the road markings to orient and position itself and automatically keeps the desired distance from the vehicle ahead.
It's almost like having your own co-pilot, right?
Kind of.
Okay, so what do I have to do?
Just press the button and you'll see the green icon.
Ah,
How's it going, Nikki?
who would have thought that boring could actually be so exciting?
Hey, Nikki. Nikki?
Nikki?
What are you playing?
Not playing. Communicating.
With Nikki?
With the X4.
Sounds like a one-sided conversation.
No, it's not. Using BMW Connected Plus, I'm planning our lunch with Nikki. We'll get guidance from home all the way to the restaurant, including walking time.
Spiffing.
I know, right? Let's go. The Navigate door-to-door function gives me direct access to the walking directions to the restaurant via my favorite Maps app.
Marvelous.
Told you. No way is this a one-sided conversation.
Ah, finally, guys. Welcome.
Hey, we were on time, you know that.
Nice to have a face-to-face conversation for a change.
Well, it would be, but sorry, guys. I gotta go.
Somehow I liked it when you were late from time to time.
It's not her fault. It's a time to leave function. Ta-da!
What on earth is that?
The activity key. I know what you're thinking. Impressive, huh?
No, that wasn't the first thing that popped into my mind.
It's more than 50% smaller than the conventional BMW key, but don't let the size fool you. It's an impressive device.
Really?
It's specially developed for active BMW drivers when you run, bike, or surf, for example. It's waterproof up to 5 bar pressure. You can wear it as a clip, a bracelet, or a keyring.
And?
Yeah, that's the trick. Because it's so small, you have your hands free for doing whatever you want.
What about something a little bit more sophisticated? Like the advanced car eye.
Wait, how do you know?
It's a high-res, wide-angle lens cam.
Precisely. It works with a G-sensor and radar technology.
There's a camera on the front and the back window, and thanks to the laser technology, the image quality is amazing all the time. Plus, it works while you're driving. So, if somebody bumps your car, you've got the evidence.
Hey, but it also works in park mode. So, if somebody tries to steal your car...
You can catch them red-handed.
Exactly.
Nice.
You can check everything on your smartphone. Oh, look at that.